Hello everyone. Good news. Jungle Scout's essential data and tools help you win on Amazon and beyond. Have solutions for all types of sellers. Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals are already rolling in. Jungle Scout is an American company providing SaaS-based tool for search and market analytics. Find a high-demand product to sell, build a profitable business, get the support you need every step of the way, fine-tune your avoid wasting ad spend, and gain total control over how you earn reviews on Amazon exclusively for new customers. Risk-free 7-day money-back guarantee for established sellers. Professional plan. Save over 20% for 3 months. $349, $279 benefits for Amazon sellers and more. Enjoy it and save money. Deals with Money & Company.